Sandwiches are ready.
Hi guys, welcome again to the channel. So for this video I decided to do the makeup of Bianca Del Rio from RuPaul's Drag Race, the winner of season 6. And for me she's the best winner, she's so complete, I loved her in season 6 and I loved her humor and I loved how she was professional, especially with the other queens, even being a little shady, but she knows how to be shady and that's why I like a lot about her. So if you didn't see the video about how I made her hair, I made a video and the link is in the description, so you can check it out. So to start, I started shading her face with the soft pastels, so I made the eyeshadow as well as the contour of the face. With the black watercolor pencil, I draw her eye lines, and also I started to sketching the interior of the eye, the iris. So I used watercolor pencil and acrylics to make the eyes. Also, with the black watercolor pencil, I draw the eyebrows and the eyelashes, the low eyelashes on her eyes. For her lips, I used a red watercolor pencil and also a violet watercolor pencil to leave her lips a little bit darker. With the white acrylic, I added a shiny point to her eyes to make it more beautiful, and also the fake eyelashes on her upper eyelids.
You know, they said I'm wearing too much makeup. All right, they're liars! Let me ask you a very fair question. What do you do successfully? Quickly.
Not today, Satan. Not today.
So I hope you have liked it. I have plans to do another queens as dolls. So if you like it, like the video, subscribe to the channel and suggest some queens that I could make as a next project. So thanks for watching, until next time.